Hey there, I'm Sadie.
And I'm Chris, and we're Fork and Path, and we're here to help you get confident in the kitchen.
That's right, and today I'm super excited. We're going to be sharing with you our top 5 essential appliances for the kitchen that we think you should get this Black Friday, which is tomorrow, or maybe on Cyber Monday. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to be more confident in the kitchen.
So the items we're recommending today are ones that we think any aspiring home cook should have. These are things that are going to make your life easier, make your kitchen time more efficient, and reduce waste, which will save you money long term. The first item we're going to recommend to you is the Breville Immersion Blender Set. This is one of my favorite items. I use it all the time. The main part of it is the actual immersion blender stick that just pops on.
And that's perfect for hot soups, cold soups, anything like that you just need to make it a little creamier, get some chunks blended in there.
That's right.
The next part of it is my favorite part. It's the mini food processor. And I love this so I don't have to get out my giant food processor if I'm making pesto for the two of us or any type of salsa. The next one I love as well for baking. So this is actually perfect for whipping cream. I even use it for mixing batter.
Yeah, it's great for eggs too. If you just need to like rapidly mix a bunch of eggs, if you're making a frittata or something, but it's great.
The next item we want to share with you is our air fryer. And I recently fell in love with this appliance.
Yeah, I was really hesitant at first to get into the air fryer because we had a convection oven and I thought, why get an air fryer also? But once I used it and learned how it works, I realized it really is a game changer.
And we use it for everything. We use it for roasting veggies, like pretty much every night right now. And it's also great for reheating things.
Yeah, it goes really fast too. So you can roast vegetables in this in like 10 minutes, which is great. It comes in multiple sizes. The one we have is quite large. You can fit a whole chicken in here, but we recommend getting a smaller version if you're just planning on cooking for one or two. Our next item is our vacuum sealer. Now, this is one of those things that once you get the hang of it, just comes in handy all the time, especially if you're batching out food for later. You can just seal it in one of the pouches that come with it. They come in multiple sizes, or you can simply get a roll and then cut them to whatever size you want. But we love it when we have to make stews and things like that. We can break it down into smaller packages, cool them rapidly, toss them in the freezer, and then when it's time to eat, just drop it right in a pot of boiling water and you have a hot, ready-to-eat meal in no time at all.
And for those of you who are eco-conscious, these bags are recyclable. They're also BPA-free, so I love that.
Yep, huge thing.
So item number 4 is a pressure cooker. And this pressure cooker actually doubles as a slow cooker, which is why we picked it.
We really like pressure cookers, especially here in Colorado, where the temperature of water boils lower. It helps a lot when making things like rice and beans, and it's really, really great for making a large amount at once. So like i.e. when we're doing our meal prepping on the weekend, we can make quite a bit of rice in one container and simply walk away and let it do its thing.
Yep, and then just having it as a slow cooker as well, make sure that you have multi-uses for the same device, which is always really helpful, especially if you're tight on kitchen space.
Absolutely. So our last recommendation is going to be our BlendTech blender. This thing is an absolute beast. There's some things that the immersion blender can't do, especially anything with grinding ice, and that's where this guy comes in handy. You can make almost any type of like frozen drink or smoothie in this, and it's perfect every time.
Yeah, and it has pre-done settings on it, which I really like because I don't really want to have to think about it, especially if I'm making a smoothie for breakfast. The last thing I want to do is figure out how to do that. So you just hit the smoothie button.
And done.
Good to go. Margarita button. Good to go.
Okay. There you have it. Those are our top 5 kitchen appliances that you should pick up this Black Friday or Cyber Monday.
Yep, and all of these are linked below in the show notes. So if you do purchase anything, make sure you grab it from one of those links. We are Amazon associates, so if you do click on one of those links, we will make a commission.
And we appreciate that.
We do.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video.
And please make sure to subscribe to our channel if you did, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, check out our website for even more great cooking content.
Sláinte.